Now, we have a great match. In the red corner, we have Vishnu from Brute MMA versus Sujal in the blue corner with a record of 5 and 3 from Smash X. We have Anthem weight 61 kgs. Let's go. Vishnu, Sujal, going all out. Vishnu from round 1, going all out, forehand. Sujal, an experienced veteran with a 5 and 3 record. Continue. Referee has said continue. No stopping in this match. Sujal, वेटरन के ऊपर बहुत सारा प्रेशर विष्णु से. क्या बात है. Vishnu looking like a gaunt up. Good player. But can we continue this train for 3 rounds? Sujal waiting for the right opportunity. One knee kick. Vishnu goes stumbling. Sujal is calm. Sujal waiting for his opportunity. Experience. देखना पड़ेगा. What a push kick. Vishnu is down. Did Vishnu waste all his energy in the first round? This is a 3-round fight. देखना पड़ेगा. What a crazy fight. Sujal waiting. Good right hand. Vishnu turning around. विष्णु को वार्निंग दिया गया. नो होल्डिंग. क्या बात है. सुजल being so calm. उनका एक्सपीरियंस इधर काम आ रहा है. 8 फाइट्स का एक्सपीरियंस with a record 8 and 5 and 3, 5 wins, 3 losses. Will this will be his 6th victory? Oh, good combinations by Sujal. विष्णु का एनर्जी बहुत लो लग रहा है. At the start of the round, he was quick. पर अभी did he gas him out early? Last 10 seconds in the first round. What a round. What a fight for the bantamweight. Minus 61. What a great round. What an entertaining round. Quickness, bantamweight. Sujal, what a left hook by Sujal. Trying for the knee, push kicks. What a head kick by Sujal. क्या बात है. Vishnu scrapping, fighting. Sujal back down. Sujal with high guard. Right hand with Sujal. Waiting for the knee. Sujal देख रहे. अपना एनर्जी वेस्ट नहीं कर रहे. Good. This is the tactic we need. Vishnu throwing all kinds of punches, eating, guard up. Vishnu का corner दिखा guard up करने के Vishnu नहीं कर पा रहे. Vishnu trying a flying knee but it's not working. Oh, what a miss. That was a bad miss by Sujal. Good, yeah. Sujal needs to go back to the basics. Jab. Another push kick. Referee in the office warning diya. No holding. Vishnu is like tired, very tired. But still he's fighting the fight. He's there. He's not going down. He won't go down easily. He's saying, yeah, he's throwing all the haymakers he had. Throwing rights and lefts, rights and lefts. He's like, I won't go down. You can hit me as much as you want. He's right there standing. Sujal is thinking, मैं क्या करूँ अभी इसको knockout करने के लिए? Both fighters thinking. Good punches by Sujal. What a second round, guys. Good low kick. यही लगता है this would be a good tactic. Sujal going for low kicks. उनका पैर गेम से निकालना है बाहर. Because Vishnu is not guarding his face. Vishnu is not guarding his face. I don't know how much more he can take. Not guarding his face. Taking all the strikes. Clean strikes from Sujal. कितना pressure? That was a strip. How is this man standing alive? Oh my God! विष्णु के जॉ में क्या है? लोखंड लगा के आए हैं क्या भाई? Vishnu standing there. Oh my God! The second round, Vishnu. Oh my guy, क्या खा के आया है भाई तूने? उनका कोचिंग साइड्स उनको बताना पड़ेगा. He is there. He is waked up. He is not going down. Will he be able to knock out Vishnu or Vishnu? Can he do something incredible? It's the final round. दोनों को पता है. Sujal waiting. I have a crowd here. What's your name, bro? Sherwin. Sherwin, what do you think about this fight?
I guess Sujal is going to win, but
What's your name, bro?
Vishal.
Vishal. It's a good. Sujal waiting. Vishnu is asking for more. Good low kick by Sujal. Vishnu knows it's a final, a good knee. But it did connect. Sujal missing. Vishnu has to connect more punches now. Vishnu को आगे जाना पड़ेगा. Vishnu is going. Vishnu is not backing down. Come on, Vishnu. Sujal. But Sujal, calculated, calm, picking his spots. Jab. Third round, good pressure by Sujal, good knee. What a good right hand by Sujal. Vishnu escaping like he is in the Matrix. But getting hit so many times, it will take a toll on your body, bro. Karan saying, Vishnu, how much more can he take? How much more? That's the question. But he's coming back. Oh my God. What a great shown by Vishnu. What a warrior, Vishnu. That's how you fight in a kickboxing match. In a kickboxing match and in life, you get hit, but you come back. You keep coming back. That's what Vishnu is doing here. What a fight. What a glorious fight. Great work, Vishnu. Great work, Sujal. Sujal raising his hand. And he is victorious again. Another win for his bucket. Sujal has a record now of 6-3. But Vishnu, what a champ, what a lad. बहुत आगे जाना है विष्णु. And great work, Sujal.